Today, we're going to explore 3 ways that you can use the 80-20 rule to make your life even better. First, what is the 80-20 rule? The 80-20 rule states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Now, that's crazy to think about. 1/5 of your activities generate 4/5 of your results. So how do you incorporate that into your everyday life? Well, I got a few hacks for you. Number 1, if you go to your job every day, ask your boss, what are the 5 most important things that you do? And then ask him specifically what number 1 is. This is going to provide the most value to him and your company. Make sure that you focus on number 1, right? That should always be your top priority, and chances are it's going to be generating 80% of your results. Next, when you're dealing with your family and friends, what are the top 20% of family or friends that bring you the most fulfillment and joy? Make sure that you're hanging out with them often. They give you that boost that you need. Lastly, in business, focus on the 20% of products that generate the most revenue, right? Your key core offerings that's going to deliver that bottom line. So go ahead and try that out. Incorporate those tips into your day-to-day life. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks, go ahead and click the link below. Got a lot more where that came from. Thank you.